Okay, we've got a lot to do today. Well, mostly anyway. Good morning. Hi. We're gonna try to understand a little bit what's happening here. We'll see how that goes, though. I don't expect it to be perfect. Say Ninja Live CD J6. Huh. Yeah, pretty much. GDT pointer. Let's remove that. It's not necessary anymore. 144 GDT pointer. I don't. Where is it at? Oh. Okay. That's fine. So now filter out the troll comments. Okay, so hey Winter, morning, or I guess afternoon. So let's try. Oof, ow. Figuring out where. Ow. Ow. Okay. Let's try figuring out where the PNP stuff comes in, probably, is what needs to be done. Which, you know. I was hitting my leg against it, so it is not Daijobu. Wow, that was like over a year ago. Wow. That is old as fuck. So one of the things we can do is boot up and test out. Okay, well, we have a lot of things we need to do. I think the smartest thing would be getting this to desktop reliably. Ow. And then also the other thing is I want to see if the CD drive is the bigger problem here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a VHD of, let's say, 50 gigabytes. Choose that guy. And then we'll, oh wait, no wait, we have one, I think. We're going to find it, probably. Okay, yeah, we do. Okay, so we have ESP, which doesn't really help us much. Oh, this is the one I was using to test partitions. That's not super useful, actually. So we'll do that. We will create one VHD 30. And we'll call it that. Good enough for me. And now we're going to launch this. And we're going to try to start ReactOS from a disk drive instead of a CD-ROM to see if I'm right about how that works. So, without further ado, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Okay. ReactOS boot. We're gonna extend, or that looks good actually. Okay, so now what we're going to do is grab this and that. I'm gonna see if this is gonna work like I want it to. It might not. I don't know. So we're gonna unload that. Oh shit. Yeah, that's gonna be fine, I think. Okay, so let's boot this up and see what happens. Hopefully we'll get a good thing here. UEFI boot, that's BCD, not what I'm looking for. Okay. Error initializing freeloader.ini. Okay. Public boot handle. Wow, that's almost exactly what I didn't want to have happen. Crazy how that works. Okay, so we're gonna grab this again. Oop. 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 Grab that again. Explore UEFI boot. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. 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 We're not going to reserve that. We don't need to set up paging for that. If not defined as AMD64, we'll do that, which is still true. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Part of the problem here is that it really doesn't want to start from disk. Thanks for that. I hope you get enough to... Okay. Okay. There we go. That's starting now. I'm not sure what I was thinking was going to happen, but that's definitely not helpful. Damn. So bus logic fails to load. Okay. That kind of sucks. Actually, hang on. What if the problem is the way you our IDE is set up? Because I remember it does have some but I might not be setting it up properly. So let's try the other one. Really? You know, what I really want is I want this to work on my framework laptop, but that's asking a hell of a lot from the thing. So eventually I want it, but one problem at a time. Lurkson, hey Sigma. Jesus. Okay, so we're trying SATA now. Which isn't any better. Okay, so it is just not going to work. Why? Let's load our hybrid CD. Oh, not that one. Let's load our hybrid CD. Choose that. And do that, and then we're going to say that we're using the root handle guild. I've never actually tested how ReactOS UEFI reacts. It's a joke. To two installs of ReactOS at the same time. Here we go. Should be interesting at least. Oh my god. I really hate WinDebug sometimes. Actually, no, I hate VirtualBox. VirtualBox shouldn't be reading into it like that. Oh, now it's frozen. Cool. Thanks, VBox. You are helpful. Absolutely useless, though. Okay, we're gonna have to close this out. So maybe part of the problem is the way I don't set up any of the requirements for the disk maps, which is in fact a problem. So, that's an investigation that's gonna have to happen. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh man, that's real annoying. It just knows now. It thinks it knows anyway. Okay, it does not like that. Bad. It reacts badly. Okay. I got it. Jesus. That's not gonna happen. Okay, we'll use that one. It's so broken. That's not good. Okay. Okay, that is not something you can do yet with my storage access code. That is not something that's possible. I should be surprised, but I'm not. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. Hi-yo. What's up? That's really funny. Oh, geez, that's not what I want. I hope that's good. It's fine. I didn't change the frame buffer address. It's not really that big of a deal. I can fix it real quick. Hang on. That's so funny. Wow. Oh, hello. Hello, I just arrived. What's the status? Not much. Just working on stuff. You know. The good thing. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and... I'm going to fix the frame buffer really quick because I think that's goofy. Let's grab the new one. And then we'll be good. I'll be good then. Spoopy. Because it does in fact change at runtime sometimes. And we have to fix that. So we're gonna go in here, go in here, go in here, and we'll grab $3,000. 1, 2. 1024 4768 1024. Yeah, this is why we're trying to fix this. Doing this is kind of dumb, but it does work. It's just not what I want to do. Well, it doesn't work for anything else. VirtualBox, my mans, you suck. So bad at this. Listen, VirtualBox, you as a platform just garbage. You've got to do better. You must believe in yourself. Okay, there we go. Now you can have something on the screen if you guys want. Okay, there you go. Let's, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted to do. Well, so the next goal is we're going to take a look at our Xbox code. Going in here, and we're going to see how this gets mapped. So, yeah, we have a detect ISA BIOS in here. And what it does is it can also detect the display controller, which if we look at is very interesting. So it takes in a bus key, and then it copies the string of the frame buffer, the partial list, partial descriptor, and then it takes display controller, controller class. Oh yeah, here you go, guys, if you want to see it boot. Oogie boogie. Wow, there it goes. In case you were curious if it does in fact do anything, it does. It does indeed. It's a little finicky sometimes, but it's okay. Okay. So, next goal is I like how everything's kinda scaled up. If we do the regular screen, it's not that big, but we'll keep it like that. Okay. So if we look inside here, we notice that we can access everything, which makes me angry. So there you go. Back to do stuff. This is UEFI. Okay, so what we're doing is it displays the frame buffer inside here, creates the partial descriptor, and then searches for the NV2A frame buffer. Now bootvib, what it does, interestingly, is take this information, I think, probably. Basic boot vid, boot vid, boot vid. It locates it by the frame buffer start. So it actually gets it from PCI. Which kinda sucks. Okay. As for Xbox itself, it gathers it by reading into so it finds the access ranges by using the hardware ID that's provided. Let's take a look-sees. I'll leave that on the screen so you guys can look at it. It's funny. Okay, so we're close. I think that one of the things we can do to load this Are you the only one working on UEFI? Not exactly. I'm working on the critical parts of it. But there's many other parts of it. I'm just working on boot processes, I guess you could say. Things actually boot up, but there's a lot of things to it, and other people are working on it. On those. If I wanted to create custom ID, the cake is a lie, Lord Shroom. Yes, it is. It is always a lie. Curse that game. Just kidding. Let's try attaching. No. I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. Ow! My hand. Jesus. We can create the key. Let's actually do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this and we're going to go inside of UEFI loader, or stubs, I guess. Grab this, put it here, and we're going to put the frame buffer in here by taking the BG context, and yeah, so we're going to say extern BG context. The frame buffer is the long pointer of BG context. Base address. Yes, that looks good. We're going to take the base address. It's going to be the frame buffer size, which is BG context. Context dash. What's it? Buffer size, not frame buffer size. Yeah, buffer size of BG context. We're gonna have, we have CM write, and this should write in provided frame buffer. This should write in a frame buffer into the thing, which should work. So detect thing. Oh, hang on. We should put this above ISA, detect ISA BIOS, and this is now callable. So detect the display controller by enumerating the bus key, and here we go. Okay, so now we should have the category of only sleeping Yes, you should. That is my favorite category, I think. So we'll do that. And then we'll have this thing. The other problem is PNP detection, which does not work the same way at all that anything else does. So yeah, it detects the PCI ISA. And then, yeah, so let's boot this now, and let's take a look at our registry and see if we can describe how we want to do this. It should be able to... The BIOS disks, huh? Do I really care about this? It sets up the COM data. Oh, it's for serial mice. I don't really care about serial mice. It's not my... Serial mice. Okay. Okay, so now we'll get in here. You know the rules, and so do I. So if I look inside the local key, where does this store it? It should be inside create system key, current control set. Well, that sounded painful. Wait. This is weird. Okay, look at that. Authentic. Okay. That's fine. Adapter class. Multifunction adapter. Graphics drivers. That's cool. Is that desktop working on UEFI? Yes, it is. Why? I want to set up... That's not what I want. Maybe inside control? Because it's no. I don't know. Let's try video. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't. Generic frame buffer mini port driver. Okay. That's cool, I guess. Yeah, this is AMD 64 UEFI class 3. It's not CSM. VirtualBox doesn't emulate CSM. Yep. I'm on desktop with some hacks. Works okay. Not really well, but that's okay. This is cool. Let's take a look at all these. RAM disk. What I don't understand is that okay, I don't understand a lot of things, but control set 001. That's cool. Thank you. It's been a long time coming. So it cannot be booted on hardware yet? It can be with some tricks, but I've been fighting with it all day. It doesn't get to desktop on hardware all the time. Actually, most of the time it doesn't. I'm running into HAL issues and stuff. But hey, it's farther than we've been in a long time. Okay, so we read the system key in the description multifunction adapter, and we find display controller, pointer controller, and keyboard controller, okay? And whatever, right? But here we have the address of where the pointer is, and we can see UEFI provided frame buffer like we put into there. So what I'm thinking is we can put this, well, okay, this probably should be over. We have different bus keys of what things are attached to. This probably should be attached to UEFI firmware or whatever Windows does. Actually, let's take a look real quick. So if we go to regedit on Windows, we can actually do this same thing and see how Windows does this. We go to video, and we have the control set, hardware. Let's go to description, video adapter buses, PCI bus. The BIOS is where things get interesting, where you can see that we're on the UEFI development kit too. Multifunction adapter, we can look at, just like ReactOS, the things where you would expect, but here's ACPI BIOS, PCI. So that is not something that Windows does. It does not throw it through this area. That's not. Yep. But we're looking at different options today. We're not trying to decide on anything. Okay. What the fuck? if I wanted to... Interestingly, this does actually detect all of the ACPI devices correctly. So I almost wonder if maybe the GUID I'm using is only for modern. Probably is what that's the case. Yeah, that makes sense. Because there's different revisions of ACPI, which is meh. So the partial descriptor, I should be able to get data from. I'm investigating. Okay, we should be able to get registry key information, but I don't really know how that works. If we grab... Okay, well, first off, let's take a more look at this. So it takes a lot. So we have class, we have type, we have key, we have affinity. And yeah. Parallel ports, okay. That's funny, but... The PNP BIOS. I think is... So... Enumerate taking a real node function, which makes sense for the most part. So what we're gonna do is figure out, well, first let's look at Virion. I'm gonna search PNP in here. Okay, so Pretty gnarly. Okay, so I don't know if I like this. I'm thinking... So we can load. This is going to take some finicking. This is just going to be like the first, I guess, attempt, or maybe, what's the word? idea into implementing this. For now, checkpoint. We'll do this so we have, you know, something. We'll do this. We'll push that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into video port and try to understand a little bit by reading the registry. Very interesting. So apparently, I don't think you can actually do that from without. Services I2C. So, if we look at Xbox, it finds it by getting for the device. One idea that was given to me was create a device with some registry keys. Sorry, wow. Create a device with its own IDs. And then load that for a video driver, which I think would work. Yeah, but very interesting. How hard would it be to create a device anyway? Sorry, it's gonna be kind of boring for a while. Very interesting. So don't you just love having fun? But then I assume the rest of it's done through how. Because, you know, duh. No? So, hello. Ba-da-da-dum. What a buggy mess. I'm almost thinking that maybe oh Lord. O is still in oh, I see. They're asking something. I don't like that. We're not going to go that route. Okay. Bonk. Okay, that is really broken. There's a lot of things broken, man. Okay, so it's very broken, indeed. Okay. So actually, I don't think there's much I can say. I'm just going to be researching for the rest of the day. So I'm going to end it here, I think. It's been like an hour. Yeah, let's wait on it a little bit because I need to do some research. So thank you all for watching, and I hope each and every one of you has an absolutely wonderful night.